Exactly. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with all my latest reviews. Today, we've got an exciting pre-workout supplement to talk about, Jacked Factory NITROSURGE. This pre-workout has been getting a lot of buzz lately, so I decided to give it a try and share my thoughts with you. First, let's talk about the packaging. It comes in this sleek, black container with a bold design, definitely eye-catching, and it looks great in any gym bag. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty, the ingredients. NITROSURGE boasts a powerful blend of ingredients designed to boost energy, enhance focus, and improve performance. It includes L-citrulline, beta-alanine, caffeine, and more. 1 scoop is all you need to get going. I like to mix 1 scoop with about 8-10 ounces of water. The powder dissolves pretty well, and there are a few flavors to choose from. Today, I'm trying the blue raspberry. Alright, taste test time. Takes a sip. That's actually really good. It's not too sweet, and there's no weird aftertaste, which is a huge plus for me. Now, the most important part: how does it perform? I took NITROSURGE about 30 minutes before my workout. Here's how it went. I felt a noticeable boost in energy and focus. The beta-alanine tingles kicked in pretty quickly, which I personally enjoy. My endurance was definitely up, and I felt more motivated throughout my session. Plus, there was no crash afterward, which is always a concern with pre-workouts. So, overall, I'm really impressed with Jacked Factory NITROSURGE. It's got a great blend of ingredients, tastes good, and most importantly, it works. If you're looking for a solid pre-workout to take your training to the next level, I highly recommend giving this one a try. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your favorite pre-workout. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.